Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max. In today's video, we'll be discussing mobile proxies and the significant financial savings they can provide. For those who are already familiar with mobile proxies, let me briefly explain their function to new viewers. A mobile proxy acts as an intermediary between a mobile modem and a connected device handling internet traffic. It receives requests from the client and forwards them to the server, then relays the server's responses back to the client. Mobile proxies also offer a rotation feature, providing tens of thousands of real IP addresses from a mobile operator simultaneously. This usage of proxies enhances anonymity, security, and internet connectivity. Now let's explore how mobile proxies can help us save the budget. We'll compare two types of proxies: mobile proxies with 5-minute automatic rotation and static IPv4 proxies. For instance, the cost of one IPv4 proxy for 30 days is $3, while a mobile proxy for the same period is $100. By simple calculations, considering automatic rotation every 5 minutes, we can obtain 288 IP addresses per day, which gives us 96 IPs during an average 8-hour workday. The equivalent number of IPv4 proxies would cost $288, significantly higher than the initial price. Now let's consider a proxy with rotation by link, where the IP address can be changed every 30 seconds. This setup would provide us with a remarkable 960 IPs in 8 hours, demonstrating a substantial difference. If we extend this to a full rental period of 30 days with a mobile proxy rotating every 5 minutes for 8 hours daily, we'll get 8,640 IP addresses. With rotation by link, this number increases to 28,800 IPs. Comparatively, IPv6 proxies are even cheaper, with a cost of only 5 cents per IP. Calculating the total cost for 8,640 IPv6 IPs results in $432, while a mobile proxy remains at $100, showcasing savings of more than 4 times. Mobile proxies are also a lucrative investment for site owners or companies. They are particularly useful for site promotion, traffic analysis, competitor research, ad campaigns, and posting. With rotation, a mobile proxy significantly reduces the time required for these tasks and presents each rotation as a unique user, enhancing the website's traffic driving capabilities. Additionally, mobile proxies boast a high trust factor due to their use of real mobile carrier networks, providing a level of anonymity that is hard to detect. In comparison, data center proxies may not offer the same level of anonymity, as their IP addresses can be recognized and blocked by some secure websites. Hence, mobile proxies become valuable for accessing such pages securely. In conclusion, the use of mobile proxies proves to be a profitable investment for active proxy users, site owners, and SEO agencies. I'd like to draw your attention to an exceptional proxy provider, Proxy-Seller. We offer an impressive range of more than 15 locations and over 20 mobile proxy carriers, including 4G and 5G options. These proxies come with various rotation settings: automatic rotation every 5 or 30 minutes, or rotation by the link request. With Proxy-Seller, you'll enjoy 100% online anonymity and top-notch security, ensuring your privacy is well protected. We guarantee the performance of the proxies according to your specific use case. Furthermore, our selection includes a wide variety of other proxy types to cater to various requirements. Proxy-Seller also takes customer support seriously, offering 24/7 assistance to address any queries or concerns you may have. As a special bonus, you'll find a coupon code in the description for a 10% discount on our services. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell, and hit the like button. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.